Hi dear friends, this is Linda. Welcome to my today's short video. And today I'm in the car showroom for our yipai brand. This one is the latest one, 2026. Let me have a look about this. Firstly, it has two configurations. That is pure electric and hybrid. For the pure electric, the range can reach over 600 kilometers. For the hybrid, the comprehensive range can approach 1,200 kilometers. And here we also have the electric dashboard, the big screen, and now we can support the English version system for the screen. And here we also have the wireless charging position and extra storage. Let me show you around about the rear seats. Okay, for the rear seats, actually, for the 2026 version, we have the 6-seater version only. And this one, we have also the rear seat screen and the fridge here. For these seats, we can support massage, heating, and ventilation now, if you want to make it optional. Yeah. And for the rear, you can say 6 seaters in total. The 2 seats has been lie down. Okay. Okay, the next one about the trunk. 2026. See, the car space is very big. So, if you want to buy this car, welcome to consult with me. This is Linda. We are Yipai Auto. See you next time.